Hello there, welcome back to our channel. So today we father and son are making a French dish. But what is it?
It's a raspberry tart. Really, it's a very good dish.
Yeah, that's a really nice idea. I was thinking, which one? And
No, it is a raspberry and a cream cheese tart. You can, if you want, you can add some blueberries as well.
Great, nice idea. Let's begin then.
Alright. Tart, vanilla essence, fresh raspberries, fresh blueberries, cream cheese, sugar, icing sugar, double cream.
First, take a bowl and add the cream. Next, add the sugar. After that, beat the mixture. Once the texture is fluffy, add the vanilla essence, then add the cream cheese. Continue to beat the mixture until it is smooth. Once the mixture is ready, pour it into the piping bag so that you can fill the tart. Fill the tart with the mixture using the piping bag. Decorate the tart with the raspberries and the blueberries. Sprinkle the tart with the icing sugar. My father gave me this recipe and I made it. I feel really proud. Here it is, right?
No, I have to be proud of you.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Anyway, look. Really, I really like it.
It's thanks to your recipe, you know.
Yeah. Fine. Anyway, guys, this is for you guys. Ask to prepare your house.
Yeah, exactly. Well, should I mention this again? Yeah, let it be. Don't forget to give this video a like. Share this video.
Sorry, can I take one, please?
Yeah, of course. Don't forget to share this video, and finally, the most important part, that is subscribe to our channel. And we will see you guys next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.